Another important step for NOVA-2. AeronovaNews has leased a hangar at Kirzhach Airfield, the very same where the legendary AU-30 airships were once assembled. The gates are 20 meters tall, the hangar is 60 meters long. This is where the assembly and flight preparation of the NOVA-2 airship with a volume of 2,000 cubic meters will begin. Nearby stands the Avgor tethered aerostat, 1,300 cubic meters, and NOVA-2 will be even more impressive. The envelope is nearly ready. Leak testing and gas filling are coming very soon. We're getting closer to the moment everyone awaits. NOVA-2's first flight.